Take 3.
Say, by some miracle, your lucky streak continues anyway.
Lucky streak.
Think about it. The prize is pulling the trigger. Think you can handle it?
Well, I wouldn't be sitting here if I wasn't okay with it.
Ever pulled the trigger before?
No, of course I have.
Ever killed a man before? Ever taken a life? Ever wondered who doesn't have a daddy coming home because of you?
No. No, I haven't.
It's not easy. That image. The bullet penetrating the head. Blood splashing. Hitting the table. I think of it every time I order a steak.
Yeah, well, you pay your money so you take your choices.
I'm just saying. He's quite a lead there. You just remember what that means.
Yeah, but I also know what the alternative is, and that's not too attractive.
I'll have to go sometime, dude.
Yeah, we all have to go sometime, but my time is a long way off right now.
Okay.